up, old man.
Come on.
We look like we have all day here.
I'm sorry.
Where's the manager?
Sorry.
You stop! You got 11 items in the express lane. Who do you think you are? It says 10 items or less for a reason. Who are you working for? What are you trying to do? Bring this market down. I'm here to stop disrespect and selfishness.
Hey, isn't that crazy old Elmo?
Because there's
Looks
too
like
much
he's
of
at
it
it
these
again.
days. I'm not gonna let this happen. Not while I'm here. Selfish, inconsiderate, horrible people trying to get through the line with 11 items in a 10-item thing. Stop!
No, what the hell?
Hey, eliminating rudeness and selfishness and encouraging happiness. That's what Captain Courteous is devoted to.
Lucky my leg.
Don't waste your voice. I know. You don't have to thank me. I'm God's tool. I'm God's hands reaching to the heavens. I have a gift, a superior gift. I will save the world.
Hey, isn't that crazy old Elmo's house? He's the one that works at the market.
Yeah, I've heard all kinds of stories about him.
When I get older, losing my head, many years from now, will you still be sending me a Valentine? Birthday greetings, bottle of wine. If I'd been out till 2:45, would you lock the door? Will you still need me? Will you still feed me when I'm 64?
I can take on the world.
Touch it! Hi, you guys. I've got the bestest idea. Let's play superhero. I'll be the supervillain, trying to get Eli, and I'll be the superhero, Kitty Cat Claire. Watch out, Claire. I got Eli. Don't move an inch.
Stop! I'll save you.
Hey, mister. That's my friend. Yeah.
Well, obviously you don't have good enough training as a superhero to know when to make your move, so I made it for you.
We were playing a game. Who do you think you are?
This is no game. This is a matter of life and death. My work is for professionals only.
Watch out, Mrs. Henderson, your purse. Hey, please stop! Stop! May I please see that tape? It's not rewound. Be kind and rewind.
Thanks. You just saved me $1.
Don't mention it. It's just part of the job of being Kitty Cat Claire.
Slow down! You're gonna get a brain freeze. You gotta be more careful next time. Captain Courteous.
Thanks, sir.
No problem. It's part of my job.
I dropped your wallet, miss.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Careful, you'll burn yourself. Don't mention it.
I'll kill them if you don't cooperate. Damn. They're not negotiating. Come on, we'll kill them later. Shut up, all of you!
Is there a Mrs. Robinson here?
Thank goodness a superhero. Please help us, sir. I just came to deposit my paycheck and I've got to get back to my kids.
Don't worry, ma'am. I got your kids right here.
Hi, Mom. Oh, hi, guys.
And ma'am, Mittens had kittens.
Hey, you! What the hell do you think you're doing?
I don't know.
You're gonna die now, old man.
Stop! Cold steel is no match for bent wood.
Oh! Hey, what the?
Drop your gun! Drop! Now! Hi, Captain Courteous.
It's Elmo.
You'll always be Captain Courteous to me. Don't give up. The world needs you. I mean, you do need a little work, but don't worry. I'll help you.
Claire, I know you're trying to make me feel good, but I stink.
Thanks, Elmo.
It's Captain Courteous, and you're welcome.
Elmo, you don't know how happy I am that we're friends. You're one of the few people that I admit I really admire, and I wish that...
Claire, I missed you. Just promise me we can be partners forever.
Elmo, I'd love to be your partner in fighting crime. In our world, we're getting to a point where nobody can be trusted. And Elmo, if there was one person that I could pick to help me protect this world, it would be you. When I grow up, I want to be nothing less than you. You're sweet, honest, wholehearted, and most of all, you're nice. So Elmo, I accept your invitation. I'd love to be your partner in fighting crime.